Yes, guys, in this video, we're gonna make some freaking money and also teach you guys how to make money trading crypto day trading. All right. So, it is currently 8:30 EST time, right? New York opening, well, pre-opening, right? Okay, cool. Let's just talk about the setup, and then I'll tell you where I'm looking to make my entry. All right, cool. So we are on the 2 minute time frame. We've already done an analysis on the higher time frames, and our thesis for today is we are bearish, right? I'm waiting for a retest of this FVG up here, right? And I believe around about New York opening, we should get a retest before then, and then we're gonna enter around about here, and we're gonna be taking profits back down here. There's a lot of buy support down here, so we went for retest up here, take profit down here, and that'd be a nice little 0.45 move, which would make us a few $1,000. In this video, obviously, it's doing it live, but you don't probably want to sit down and wait for like the whole hour of till the New York time or New York sessions open. So what we're gonna do is pause it at some times, but let's talk about the strategy. Right, the strategy is liquidity sweep, which we've got our liquidity sweep here, FEG created, we've got FGG here, FEG retest. We have got it here, one. Sometimes we should get two tests, and that's more confirmation. So I'm going for the two touch of FEGs, and then we're going to get in on the bounce, the rejection of this FEG here, and take profits on previous liquidity zones there. And today we'll be using blofin. Definitely for me, one of the best exchanges to trade crypto. So make sure you guys use the link in the description. It gives you got you a deal for the best fees and also loads of bonuses. All right, so let's check on the trade. See, already we are okay. I'm going to put this on another screen as well, so I can enter kind of sharply because we are getting towards this retest. So just like I said, textbook guys, we are coming up to retest this previous FVG, and as soon as we jump in, we are going to go short. Okay, so we will be shorting Bitcoin around these levels. Does it need to touch exactly? Yeah, I would like it to. Right. So guys, what you need to understand about trading, right? There's a lot of people that talk LARP on social media and do not know what they're actually on about, right? So just be careful where you're getting information from, because you will lose a lot of money, right? A lot of people talk about market structure, which is great, but if we're just following market structure without other little confidences, you would think, for instance, now, oh, this is bullish, we're going up, right? But now we know about FVGs and FVGs retest, we can understand that, yeah, this is bullish on the lower time frame, but we've already got our setup, and we already know that this is a whole sequence set up, and this is a whole strategy of what's going on here, okay? So always be mindful of just listening to random people on the internet talking about we're bullish, follow market structure, when you need a whole many different confidences. And also, we're not looking at to get in exactly when it hits this previous resistance here, just because it usually goes lower, right? We actually want it to go lower because on a higher time frame, we want to be going, we want to be creating higher lows, right? So for it to come and create equal highs, it's quite slim. So we want to create lower highs I'm going to be getting in around about here. To be honest with you, soon as it touches in this red zone here for this FVG, I'm going to actually enter my position because I don't want to be entering, too late. So we're just going to wait impatiently. And also with trading, guys, you want to be adaptable. So if it doesn't, hit the FVG again, that's not a problem. I'm going to wait for a break of market structure, and that will be, sorry about this noise, I've got alerts on. And that will be here, all right? So if it breaks this market structure again, remember, look here, guys, we have loads of sells here, sells here, sells here, sells here. Then if we break below all these sells, it tells me what? That the sellers are exhausted, right? Like now. Okay, so if we're gonna enter a position on this close, on this 2-minute close, all right? So let's see. We're gonna wait for a close on this 2 minutes. We're not just gonna enter in straight away. Let's see it on the 5 minutes. And then we've got 2.5 on the 5 minutes. Let's check on the 2 minutes. Okay. Ideally, I would want it to come and retest this previous FVG, but if it doesn't, it doesn't have to. So if it closes below here, this market structure, we're going to enter our short position on the 2-minute time frame. And okay. Let's check on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's actually wait for the top 5 minute time frame because it's going to be a little bit of a stronger indication. All right. So how's the 2-minute time frame going? Cool. So remember as well, this is also another FVG as well. So this is also creating a bit of support right now. See, creating another green candle. Hopefully, ideally, I want to get in at the best position as possible. So ideally, I would love for it to retest and come back down here. But if we break, okay, boom, beautiful. I like it. I like it. I like it. See, by understanding and having patience as well, guys, this can make you a lot more money. Just because if I entered here on a short without waiting for this candle close, potentially, I would have got in a worse position, right? So we're gonna wait for another 40 seconds to see on the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's another 40 seconds to see what we get a close, how the close is on the 5 minutes. And also we have 25 minutes till market officially opens. Well, it depends if it's doing pre-market or actual market opening. Okay, let's see what happens. 14 seconds. Are we going to close below? Or are we going to close above? Okay, we've got a green candle, but we closed below. So that's let's see what we're on at 2 minutes. Yeah, it's bearish. Okay, we are entered on a short position. All right. We've entered in on the short. Currently, we are down, but we have patience. I believe we're going to have a rejection here. Okay. Show you the position right now. There's the position. We're down 2,000. A lot of people will go absolutely crazy right now. I'm like, oh, down and down and down. But I know what I'm doing, so it's fine. We won't break above this here. We'll reject that. and we'll head back down. Okay, so patience. And this is what you need to understand, guys. You have to be ready to, you have to have a tight stop loss, right? But also be prepared to see these, look, 2.5 grand, and now we are down only 600, you know, which obviously I have a bigger port, you know, for you, this could be, you know, if you had $1,000 port, you could be down 200, but your stop loss should be like at least 300, but you want to be making, you know, at least 900,000 back. We're gonna go for like a 3 to 1, sorry, 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. Okay, so you put $1 in, you want to make him $3 back. Okay, and also I'm only gonna go for a nice tight. Okay, I'll tell you where we're gonna take profits as well. A roundabout, I could change my mind. No, profits. I'll see how it looks when it's going lower. But here's the take profits. I believe we're gonna go back down to these, and then potentially we could get back, you know, rally back up. But for me here is my exit. A nice quick flip. That should be a few $1,000s as we get down here. All right. Cool. So right now we are up $1,000. Okay, up $1,000. Okay, I believe we're going to be heading lower. Let's get it, guys. Also, remember, use a link in the description for blofin. If you guys want to copy trade me, just go to my Instagram and DM me the word copy trade. You can also copy trade me on these trades. And if you want to join the inner circle, okay, you can DM me on Instagram and ask me for details about my inner circle. All right. Let's patiently wait. Some nice bearish momentum here, as expected. We're on the 2-minute time frame. Let's get up to the 5-minute time frame. All right, this is bearish, just like as I thought. And I'll say we easily touch these previous liquidity zones, right? These lows here. To grab some more liquidity and potentially, you know, still got a few minutes for New York session to open, so fully open. So I will not be surprised if we come grab liquidity here and go back up. But we're gonna take some profits down here, or even maybe before, guys. At the end of the day, we're up $2,000 now. Obviously, we have fees because we're using high leverage. That's okay because the fees will pay for itself when we enter. But obviously, for you guys that are not using so much capital, you won't be paying, you know, so much fees. But for me, I have quite a bit of capital. But we all start from somewhere, guys. Don't look at my capital. Just understand that this capital was built up through trading, so you can do the same. All right. Also, I might shortly put a stop loss on as well, so we won't be losing anything. All right. So I'm going to put a type stop loss. Usually I can do it manually, but for now, I might just exit, close my position fast because we are scalping. So let's get back to that. I'm just going to be prepared to exit my position if we are break even, and then look for another setup. But like I says, down here is where I'm taking my profits. Should make at least $4,000, $5,000. But you know what though? Or it could be a little bit greedy, and you know, if we break these lows here, guys, we're going down. So I might see what happens when we break these lows. I know you should always stick to a plan, guys, but guys, like, there's no support down here. If we break this here, we're going to hunt for liquidity, you know, right about these zones here. You know, what's this? It was on the 5 minutes down here. New York lows yesterday, which seems not impossible, but plausible. Let's see how it rejects off here. I don't know, actually. I feel like it will, after it rejects here, we'll have a little bit of a rally, to potentially work its way down. Okay, currently we're at $5,000, $4,000, as you can see here. $5,000, as you can see here, $5,000 now. How are we getting on? All right, cool. $5,000. Let's see how it rejects here. All right, I'm going to monitor this and potentially take profits. See how it hits. Let's go to the 2 minutes. Okay, $6,000 we're up. See how it, okay, see how it rejects that. See if it goes through or it bounces off. Okay, let's go down to the 1 minute. Cool, we got 7,500. Okay. See. 15 seconds on this 1 minute candle. See what happens. Okay, we break to, oh, guys. Whoa, guys. We're $8,000. All right, cool. I closed. All right, I closed. All right, let's get it. Boom. Okay, that's the position size. $7,702. All right, literally in the space of, how long is this video? 17 minutes. $7,700. Guys, obviously I know there's people out there that probably make $100,000, $50,000 a trade, but I'm happy with what we do. We have a strategy. We're sticking to it. More compound my pot, more compound my trading pot. These 10 times much, that'd be $70,000 trades. And that's what's going to happen, right? And I'm going to teach you guys everything that I know along the journey. I've just showed you. Let's go over the strategy right now. Very simple, okay? We've had sweep of liquidity up here, okay? There's a sweep of liquidity here. We had created the FVG. From the FVG, let's get down to the FVG got retested, okay? Got rejected, created another FVG, all right? We broke above that, headed up to the original FVG, rejected, and this is where we got in here, right? We was actually waiting for it to go, to retest it again, but it didn't. Doesn't always have to. Now we're just dropping. Like, honestly, look at this. To be honest, I was being like a bitch. I should have kept that trade. I was being a bitch. Look at this. Like, there's no support. But we're going to be happy with the money that we got. But look at this, no support down here. That shit could have ride all the way down there, but whatever. We're happy, we made money. All right, guys, make sure that you tap into my socials, all the links in the description if you want to learn. But look at this, boom, down, just like predicted. But we made money. We don't be emotional attached to the trade. Till next time, peace.